Hello, everybody. I was asked by a few people about why the images are cropped like this. So it's very simple. You see this repeater. See, this is a repeater. It's using a card primitive. The card primitive. That's how it works. It just kind of takes photos and crops them. So it may be not ideal for this kind of setup when you have the photos that don't have a lot around them. This works mainly for like maybe background color, background photos or something like that. So you might want to consider just replacing it with a different repeater. So let me show you how you do it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a primitive, call it let's say repeater. Okay, and put it over here. Now here, let me just duplicate it, and then I'll replace it with an image. Okay, so now we need to just choose where is the repeater coming from, and we're going to choose I think it's items. Okay, alright, so now because this is not a card primitive, this is just an image. What you can do, you can change the image proportions. So to control it, you can choose one of those presets. So in this case, I would choose probably a logo because it doesn't have any. It basically keeps it the way it is. It doesn't make any changes. All right. So now you have the image the way you want it, and now you can basically change it to have all these items that you need. Just start adding more items here if you need more details like the price or whatever. I think you can take it from here very easily. Okay, and of course now using a container you can change the let's say the background color, for example. You can change it to something else, whatever you need. Okay, you have more control here because you have the primitives each one by one, while here you have a card, and the card itself inherently already has the shape of the image, and it's usually for stretching things and not so much for images like this. I hope it makes sense. Thank you.